Let's get started. Let's see, where are we? Okay, so we're finishing up the third week where we are focusing on planning, and so we looked at some theory, some lecture last Tuesday on Agile, and today we'll take a look at some lectures on planning and project management. And we'll finish up by introducing Jira as a technology that we're going to be using for managing our projects. A glorified to-do list to make sure that everybody's working on whatnot. We'll also talk about one of the deliverables for your assignment this week will be to create to give the capability for your projects to be able to talk to a database. So we'll demo that. Although I've provided quite a bit of source examples for you as part of the assignment, we can demo that real quick just to give you a feeling for that. Okay. And so apparently the projects are all created on Jira. You should be able to log in and start playing around with your project. Everyone has been assigned. There are some folks that are still outstanding, and we'll probably have to move some folks around from a team that from an organization that you're currently there. There's a couple of about 3 students that will need to move them around, right, to make another team, another organization. And so we'll finish that today. Also looks like there's some permissions that students don't have. Like for instance, I believe you cannot create a dashboard, and you cannot create a board. All right. So what we're going to ask you to do instead is to create a ticket and assign it to one of the TAs. We're gonna share with you a list of TAs, and you can assign them to them, and they will create the dashboards and the boards for you. Yes.
So we can create Scrum boards.
You can?
Yes.
Oh, great.
TAs are not part of our groups.
You can't assign them.
Things to TAs.
You can't assign them. Okay. All right. We need to fix that.
We can make dashboards, but they cannot be shared.
You can't, right, they cannot be shared for the organization. Yeah, right, so only us we can do that. So we'll do that. We'll create the dashboards for you
Right, but we
so
can't
that everybody can see that.
to a TA until we can get a TA into a
Right,
Jira.
okay, yeah. That's weird. Because in the permission schema, they were assigned to all the projects, so we'll see what's going on. But they should be able to see them. But we'll provide a list of all the TAs, and you should be able to assign them. All right, and they'll go out and create those things for you. I also believe, I don't know, have you checked if you can start a sprint?
Yeah, I created this.
You can?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's great. All right, we were concerned that you could not create a sprint.
Wait, so if the TAs create the dashboard for us, then will the TAs share it with our group, or then will we be able to share it?
So it'll be part of the project. So anybody who's assigned to that project should be able to see that same dashboard.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I think maybe you could create a dashboard just for you personally.
Okay, cool.
But we're going to create one for the project itself. Yes.
Not Jira related, but for Heroku, do we have to add all of our work members as Heroku collaborators as well for them to be able to push there?
Yes. Yeah, you need to. All right. So one of you is going to have to be the owner of the project who creates it in Heroku, and then we're going to have to invite everyone else in your project to be able for them to clone and be able to push to the same project. Yes. Yep. Anything else? Yes.
Getting feedback on the requirements documents for including in our next iteration of that we turn in. Is that going to happen?
That's happening right now.
Right now? Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Yep. Anything else? All right. Excellent.